Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to block domain users from access folder options using group policy in Windows Server 2022. Users are under User Accounts OU. Create new group policy under User Accounts. Open Do not allow folder options to be opened from the Options button on the View tab of the ribbon. Change to Enabled, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.